Hello, my name is Ahmed, and this is my CS50 final project, CyberRecon, a Python-based security reconnaissance framework. This is my project, project.py, coding, Python project, and me.r. Project overview. CyberRecon is designed to automate several basic reconnaissance tasks that are commonly performed during authorized security assessment. The goal of the project is to demonstrate how Python can be used to build a small modular security tool while applying the programming concept learned through CS50 project. Running the program Python project by the programming first resolves the target domain to an IP address. It then performs basic TCP port scan against a predefined set of common ports. Finally, it retrieves the HTTP response headers as part of the reconnaissance process. The results are presented in a rebuild table so that the user can quickly understand the basic information discovered about the target IP address, open ports, HTTP security headers. project structure اللي هو المين analyze domain scan ports check headers generate ports. I organized the project into separate functions with each function responsible for specific tasks. This modular structure makes the project easier to understand the extended testing. PyTest project.py-based. I also implemented automated test using PyTest. The tests verify the response functions independently rather than relying only on manual testing. The helps in user that changes to on board part of the project do not accidentally break another part. Um, yes. And also project review. And Python. Yes. Dependencies, the project use the external Python package listed in requirements.txt. This allows another user install to require dependencies with the single byte command. Then install -r requirements.txt.